Hey, just a quick video on unboxing the Unify Protect, the smart sensor box with the 3-pack. I got this because I wanted to see what the water leak sensor was going to be like. So it'll be interesting to see. The smart sensors are quite clever. They do temperature, humidity, motion, door openings. So yeah, let's take a quick look at the smart sensor box, triple pack. So yep, you got your 3 sensors, all come with batteries. Got 3 mounts, and you should have 3 door sensor switches on here. 3 door sensor magnets. And this is the random little egg that you use to put in to detect if you got a water leak underneath your sink. So yeah, nice. Okay, so you do that. You take the rear cover off and it looks like the sensor sits in there and works. And then that would just sit down. It looks like those prongs would then detect if any water shorts across them. Nice. So got the instructions. So yeah, let's get it all set up.